Which of the following is a natural number? Which option is right? आवाज नहीं रही आ रही है दीपेंद्र.
यस सर.
कौन सा ऑप्शन
अब आ
राइट?
रही है सर. बी.
D. Question
डी.
is that
बी.
which
बी. बी.
B.
0.
0. 0 is a natural number.
No sir, no
Arnav,
sir. 1. 1.
Arnav, tell me what is the option right for question
Sir,
1?
1 is the natural number. 0 is a whole number.
Sir, C.
C. Okay. Arnav, what is the answer of second question? Which of the following is an integer?
Sir, B. -9.
-9. Okay. Depend, is it right or wrong?
Sir, it is right.
Right. Okay. Question number 3. Which of the following is a rational number?
Sir, C. Answer is Q.
Okay. Answer is
Already.
written. Okay. Arnav, define the rational number. Now.
Sir,
define it.
rational numbers are those numbers.
Your voice is not clear. Depends. What is your definition of rational number?
Sir, the numbers that can be represented in PYQ form, and if we do the decimal expansion of them,
No.
then
What is the criteria for restriction
sir,
of the P and Q?
Sir, it should be represented in PYQ form, and Q will be not equals to 0.
And the other
And
restriction
it can
there?
be any
Yes,
whole
sir.
number.
Yes, sir. Now, madam.
Okay.
One more point.
Okay.
Sir, that can be represented on the number line, and every number has an a unique point on the number line.
No, I'm not asking where you are going to represent it. Question is very simple. Define rational number. What is the actual definition of rational number? No, tell me. Depends. Tell me.
Sir, I have told. Sir, the numbers that can be represented in PYQ form, and Q will be not equal to 0.
Yes.
But both P upon Q can be whole numbers.
Okay. Then can you define a fraction?
It can be represented in PYQ form.
Yes.
And the PYQ number should not be integers. It should be a whole number.
Should be whole number. And in the both case, there
Sorry,
is a
sir,
whole number.
integer.
In which case, when
Rational number.
for which definition we use a rational integer?
Rational number.
PQ are integers. Now,
minus 5. Minus 5 upon 2.
No. I don't want a example. I don't need example. You defined properly what is the rational number. I have taught you, your teacher have taught you this year, and in the tuition, your teacher taught you 3 times at least. Okay. And you are forgetting now. Why? That's a basic questions. Define rational number. A rational number can be represented in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Is it clear? When it comes to fraction also can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are whole numbers and Q is not equal to 0. That is the difference. There are two definitions. One is for a rational number and other is for fraction. In the case of fraction, we are taking P and Q as a whole number. In the case of a rational number, we are taking P and Q integer. Is it clear?
Sir, I have a question that minus 5 upon minus 5, 2 upon minus 5 can be a rational number.
Yes.
Sir, but here The value is not zero, it is lower and
You were talking
so
about the minus 5 upon minus 0. Minus 5,
yeah,
sorry, minus 5 upon 2.
2 upon
2 upon minus 5.
minus 5.
2 is an integer and minus 5 is also an integer. So what is your definition of rational number? A rational number can be defined in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. That is the actual definition of rational number. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Question number 4. Which of the following is an irrational number?
Sir, B, C.
Root 13.
Why? And now open your cam. Don't hide your face.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Defined. What is the definition of a irrational number? How root 13 is a irrational number? Can you prove it? You are not revising. Okay. Without revision, you are sitting here. So you are not able to tell the correct answer. I have taught you if you are taking a root of any number which is not a perfect square, 13 is not a perfect square, then its root is come into the form of decimal expression and it's not terminating and not repeating. So root 13 is a irrational number. Yet, do you know how to find the root by division method? It's in the class of 7th and 8th standard. Do you know finding square root by division method? At least you solve 4 questions. Root 2, root 13, root 5. So your answer will be always clear why root 13, root 2, root 5, these numbers are an irrational number. Okay, it's your homework for you. Question number 5. The decimal expansion of a rational number is always
C.
terminating, always non-terminating and non-recurring, either terminating or non-terminating recurring.
C.
Always recurring. What is your answer now?
Sir, C. C.
C. Okay. Question number 6. The additive identity is
Sir, C.
0.
0. C is the option. Okay. C is the right option. Now, the multiplicative identity is
1.
Sir, 1.
1. Okay. Question number 8. Which theorem is used to construct root 2 on the number line? Euclid's theorem,
Pythagoras theorem.
mid-product theorem,
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorems. Question number 9. The square root spiral is also called Euler spiral, spiral of Theodorus, Archimedes spiral, Fibonacci spiral.
Spiral of Theodorus.
Theodorus is the right answer. Question number 10. Real numbers consist of only rational number, only irrational number, rational and irrational numbers, natural numbers only. Which one is the right option from A, B, C, D?
Sir, C.
C. Depend, is it right or wrong?
Sir, it is right.
Right, okay. What about the question number 11?
Root 17.
Root 17. Which of the following is irrational number? What about
Root,
option A? What about the option A?
sir, it is following rational numbers property of decimal expansion.
What is written here? 0.2727. This is a terminating or non-terminating?
Non-terminating.
Recurring or not? Recurring or not?
Terminating.
Non-terminating but recurring. So option A is a rational number, and this is a terminating, and it can be written in the form of P by Q. And D is always in the form of P by Q. So correct answer is C. Question number 12. One rational number between 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 5 is
3 upon 5.
3 upon 5.
3 upon 5. Okay. Question number 30. The multiplicative inverse of 5 by 8.
Sir, A.
Minus 5 by 8.
What is the answer? Depend.
Sir,
Minus 5 by 8.
Or now, what's your answer?
sir, 8 upon 5.
8 upon 5. Depend why your answer is wrong. There is a multiplicative inverse. That means you have to change numerator and denominator. Okay. Interchange the denominator and numerator only. Question number 14. The additive inverse of minus 13 is
13.
30.
13. Okay. Which property is verified by? Question number 15. Which property is
Distributive.
verified? Distributive. Okay, distributive. But which distribution is here? Left or right?
The left.
Left. Okay. Depend question number 16. Which operation is not commutative?
Subtraction.
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Okay. And question number 17.
Sir.
Tell me. Addition, multiplication, subtraction are both subtraction and division. That's a good question. What's your answer? ABCD. Out of ABCD.
Sir, A.
A. Depend.
Sir, C.
C. In division. What about the division? Division follow the associative property?
No, sir.
No. Then what's your answer?
D.
D.
D. D is the right answer. Okay. Question number 18. Root 25 is
Irrational. Rational. Rational.
depends. What is your answer? Depends. What is your answer? Root 5
Service
is
question.
question number 18. Root 25 is the rational number. Okay.
It is a perfect square.
Question number 19. Which number lies between 3 and 4?
Root. एक second. Sir, root 8.
Root 8. Okay. Any other possible answer?
No, sir, no, sir. Root 12.
12.
Root
12.
12.
12. How?
Sir,
Sir,
because
if
the
we
square
do
of
the
3
square
is
of 3 and
9
4,
and 4 is
9 and
16.
16 and 12 and 12
12
falls.
comes between 9 and 16. Okay. Now, question number 20.
Infinite many.
Infinite many.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's right or wrong?
Right.
Question number 21. Which of the following is not a real number?
5. None of this.
Yes, sir. None of these.
Okay. If I ask you, if I change the statement, which of the following is not a rational number, then what's your answer?
Pi.
Sir, pi and
No.
root 3.
Root 3 both.
Pi and 3. If I say which of the following is not an irrational number, then what is your answer?
7 upon 9.
7 upon 9.
7 upon 9. Okay. Question number 22.
Non-terminating and non-recurring.
The decimal expansion of pi is
Non-terminating and non-recurring.
non-recurring.
green. Okay. Question number 23.
Zero.
If A is non-zero real number, then its multiplicative inverse is
1 upon
1 upon A.
A.
And now 1 upon A is the right answer or wrong?
Sir, right answer.
Okay. Question number 24.
20.
Which statement is true? Every irrational number is a rational. Every
B.
rational number is a real.
Every rational
Sir,
number is
B.
real.
Every rational number is
Every
real.
rational number is real.
Okay. Every integer is a rational number and every rational
Is
number
real.
is. Which option is right?
B.
Sir, B.
B. Okay. Question number 25.
7 upon 8.
7 upon 8.
Which of the following has terminating decimal expansion?
7 upon 8.
Yes. Question number 26.
7.
7.
Clever. Question number 27.
Minus root 5.
Depend. Is it right or wrong? Depend. Question number
Yes, sir.
27. Question
Is
number
right.
27. Right. Okay. Question number 28.
Associative.
Distributive.
Distributive. Okay. How is it
Associative.
distributive? Or no? How is it a distributive? There are different groups. There are different groups. 4 and 7
Yes,
makes
sir.
a different group with 7 and 3. So it is associative
Associative.
property under addition. Okay, under addition.
Addition.
29. The fifth triangle in the square root spiral represents.
Root 5.
Hmm?
Root
And
5.
first triangle represent a root 2. Second represent
Okay.
root 3. Second represent root
So
3.
root 6.
1 minute. 1 minute, listen the carefully. First triangle represent root 2, second represent root 3, third represent 4, and 4 represent root 5, and fifth represent root 6.
6.
Okay, you got idea? Which of the following statement is correct?
D, all of the above.
Which of the following statement is correct? Every rational number has a unique point on the number line.
All of the above.
Every irrational number has a unique point on the number line. Every real number has a unique point on the number line. All of the above.
All of the above.
All right?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? अब ये बताओ आप लोग, जो मैंने टैग मैंगो पर क्वेश्चन रखा है, क्या आप कंफर्ट फील करोगे? कैसे करना है, सॉल्व करना है?
टैग मैंगो पर सर
जी।
अभी तो नहीं है टैग मैंगो पर कोई क्वेश्चन। मैंने
आपको
अभी
नहीं
चेक किया था।
आपने चेक किया
9
था?
PM।
आपको 9 PM पे वहां पे इसलिए नहीं दिखा है क्योंकि मैंने अभी उसको पब्लिश नहीं किया है।
तो
ठीक है, वो हमारे एक क्लिक पे पब्लिश हो जाएगा। क्लियर है या नहीं है?
यस
Yes,
सर।
sir.
तो टेस्ट आज देना चाहोगे या कल छुट्टी है? कल छुट्टी है या परसों छुट्टी है?
नहीं, परसों
सर
छुट्टी है।
परसों छुट्टी है पर आज टेस्ट करना चाहेंगे।
आज टेस्ट करना।
परसों।
अच्छा, देखो यहाँ पे कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है, वो टेस्ट दोगे आप। एक बार आप रिवाइज कर लो फुल चैप्टर का, और उसके बाद आप लो। ठीक है ना? अभी जो कमी आ रही है उसको आप कंप्लीट कर लो, देन मूव अहेड।
सर बस मेरे को वो एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर वापस बता दोगे?
कौन सा क्वेश्चन?
सर स्क्वायर रूट स्पाइरल इज आल्सो कॉल्ड।
आपके पास बुक है?
यस सर।
बुक में गिवन है।
ठीक है
ठीक है
सर।
ना? वहां पर
ठीक है
देखिए,
सर।
मैं आपको नाम बता दूं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ठीक है ना? मैं
यस
क्यों
सर।
बता रहा हूँ, आपको पहले भी बोला था, आप इसको बुक में देख लेना एक बार। आपको गणित मंजरी जो है उसमें है। आपने
यस सर।
एक चीज बोला था लास्ट इन द लास्ट क्लास, रूट प्रूव रूट टू एन इरेशनल नंबर, इट्स गिवन इन योर गणित मंजरी बुक, बट देयर
नहीं
इज
सर, मेरे को जानना है कि अदर नेम ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट स्पाइरल।
I know. Okay. In the test, you have the answer. You have the answer I have given. Okay. I think you have given. 1 minute. I am giving you the same question. It's in the question. Okay. Look at
Sir,
it.
on which page number square root spiral is given?
In Ganit Manjari, chapter 2, it's given.
Yes.
A
Sir, in
spiral of
chapter 2.
Theodorus. Third. In the chapter 3rd. A spiral Theodorus. Is it clear?
यस सर।
Okay. And this name is also given in your Ganit Manjari book. And there is only one question in this chapter, to prove root is an irrational number by which method?
Contradiction.
Contradiction method. But there is only one question. But problem is that if you don't know fundamental theorem of arithmetic and Euclid's theorem, then how can you are going to contradict it? Is it clear? You
यस सर।
know the SCF, you know this class. So you are 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. There is a proof. Yet clear? So next
यस
year
सर।
you will study that type of questions. अभी इस चैप्टर पे और कोई डाउट है? Do you have any doubt on this chapter? And now
No, sir.
Depend.
Square root spiral.
Square root spiral. How to construct square root spiral or anything else?
सर कंस्ट्रक्ट कर कैसे करें?
Construct. Always use Pythagoras theorem. Okay. How can you use Pythagoras theorem? Suppose we have to represent root 2 on the number line. It clear? And we have to represent root 3 also in the number line. And we have to prove root 5 also in the same number line. Yet clear? And we will get a number between this. That is root 4. Yet clear? Yet clear? So what is the
Yes, sir.
exact value? What is the exact value of this? 2.
2.
And you know where put the 2. And I am taking how to construct these irrational number on the number line. Suppose I have a number line and this point is 0 and this point 1. Okay. I know root 2 come between 1 and 2. Root 2 come between 1 and 2. But I don't know where is it exactly. Okay. And root 3 also comes between 1 and 2. Root 2 come first or root 3 come first. Is it clear? So I will take 0 as one of the vertex of triangle and one another. I will take this as a base and I will construct a perpendicular line here. I am constructing a perpendicular line here. Okay. Now I will take equal length here. Suppose 1 unit and 1 unit. And this is a point, something a point. So if I construct a triangle, it becomes a right angle triangle and isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. And what we will get as a hypotenuse? Root 2. I will get hypotenuse as root 2. If we take center as the 0 and this is radius, this line becomes a radius. That means this hypotenuse becomes the radius. And if we draw an arc towards the positive side of x-axis, then towards the positive side of number line. So it cuts number line here. This point is known as root 2. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, if I will, from this point, if I will create another perpendicular that is perpendicular on this line, can we make it clear? So if I take 1 unit here and I join this, then this becomes root 3. This becomes root 3. And if I take this is a center and this is a radius and I make an arc toward this side, it will comes here. This point is known as root 3. Is it clear? If I take this a line and we draw another perpendicular here, and I take 1 unit length from here to here. So I join this. This becomes root 4. Root 4. When we draw an arc, it will comes to this point. Is it clear? Is it clear? And
Yes.
so on we draw, then we will get here root 5, then root 6, then root 7, then root 8, and then root 9. Root 9 comes here, that is 3. The same way. You got the idea how to construct it? Okay, you got idea or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you make the different colors, put the different colors here. If you put the different colors here, and you put the different colors here, you put the different color here, then and so on, then it looks like in the different way. That creates a spiral. That creates an spiral like this. One time you find this. You are saying that the spiral constructs that way, but you can look. It looks like that. If we are going to create every number, then it's going to move another way. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then that is the process to represent root 2 on the number line, root 3 on the number line, root 5 on the number line, and it will create spirals. You clear? Today,
Yes,
go and read about the spiral, what is given in your book. Okay? Read, at least read yourself and try to understand. If you are not able to understand, then I will explain in the next class 8. Okay? Now, 1 minute, 1 minute. Look here. Maybe I will get another chance. I have taken here something different. 1 and 1, and it's a right angle triangle. Then it is a isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Okay. Then it becomes root 2. Is it clear? And this is the perpendicular and this is the base, you can think. Then it becomes root 3. Is it clear? And when we will draw perpendicular from this line and we will take it 1 unit, then it creates root 4. Is it clear? Root 4. And now we will have root 5 here and root 6 here, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9, root 10, root 11. You can go ahead. And you will find another circle this side line. If you are going to change, then it becomes like that. You got idea?
yes,
Devendra, Arnav, you got
Yes,
idea?
sir.
How can
Yes,
you
sir.
make a spiral? That is the case of how to make. But what is the basic fundamental of making a spiral? That means representing root 2 on the number line, root 3 on the number line, root 4 on the number line, root 5 on the number line. That is the basic criteria. So why I was defining there how to construct a root 2, root 3. That is the part of creating that type of spiral. Is it clear? So we started to draw here. I started drawing here. I am giving you example. How can I was constructing? I started to construct 1 and 1. Is it clear? Then this represents what? Root 2. Make put here different color, a color here, and we draw 1 unit here. Then it represents another root 3. When we draw here 1 unit, it draw another thing, but it is not going to where represent. Representing is a different, but making spiral is a different. We are not going to point out where it is exactly falls on the number line. I was not going to track the record where it exactly on the number line. So neglect this part. We will have remaining is spiral. Clear है जी? अर्णव, आप ऐसा बनाइए, आप इसको
Yes, sir.
रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करेंगे. इस रिप्रेजेंटेशन को आप नेग्लेक्ट कर दीजिए. जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट बचा वो हमारा क्या है? दैट इज स्पाइरल. क्लियर है? इस स्पाइरल को क्या बोला जाता है? It's also given there or not? But I have given you in my PPTs. One minute. Summary spiral. Okay. It's not given, but I told you what it is called. Okay, no doubt. I think it's, if it is not given in your book, your teacher is not going to ask what is the name of this spiral. Okay. हाँ जी, और भी कोई क्वेश्चन? दीपेंद्र, अर्णव?
नो सर।
No,
ठीक है, मैं अभी टेस्ट को लाइव कर दूं या कल करूं? बोलिए आप लोग।
सर
कल।
कल कर देना।
कल मैं कर दूंगा, ठीक है ना। आप लोग टाइम लेकर इसको देना, ऐसा नहीं है कोई आप जल्दी करोगे, ठीक है। मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आप ट्राई करना।
सर टाइम लिमिट कितनी रहेगी?
टाइम लिमिट वहां पे आप बोलिए कितना, 100 क्वेश्चन पे 100 मिनट चाहिए या 90 मिनट चाहिए?
सर डिपेंडिंग ऑन द डिफिकल्टी ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस।
Same question, you will find the same question. Okay, I am putting 90
sir,
minutes.
90 minutes.
90 minutes is very sufficient to solve
यस
100.
सर।
Okay, no problem.
सर एक और डाउट था कि फ्राइडे को आप क्लास लोगे?
फ्राइडे को क्लास को लेना चाह रहा हूँ भाई।
सर रक्षाबंधन है उस दिन।
तो रक्षाबंधन तो सुबह समाप्त हो जाता है ना।
नहीं सर, सुबह से रात तक चलता रहता है।
Sir,
आपकी सिस्टर आपके साथ है?
नो सर।
हाँ, ठीक है। आप सिंगल सिंगल चाइल्ड हो या दो हो?
सर दो।
अच्छा, बहन क्या जाना है
क्या
या
सर?
मतलब दोनों बॉय हो?
यस सर।
ठीक है, अच्छा। कोई आएगा बाहर से आएगा या आपको जाना है? आप क्या चाहते
यस
हो?
सर।
आप लोग क्या चाहते हो, दोनों लोग हो? आप
सर
कितनी?
फ्राइडे को छुट्टी।
फ्राइडे को छुट्टी, चलो छुट्टी कर देते हैं, बट सैटरडे को क्लास होगी,
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है ना, उसको मिस नहीं करना है, ठीक है ना। बट आप, कल का डेट है और परसों का डेट है, 2 टेस्ट है, दोनों आपको देना है, ठीक है ना, क्लियर है ना? हाँ जी,
yes,
अर्णव, मैं
sir.
आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, अर्णव जी।
यस सर।
आपके लिए मैं कई अटेम्प्ट कर दिया हूँ क्वेश्चन को। आपने कितने अटेम्प्ट अभी तक दिया है? चैप्टर 1 है, चैप्टर 2?
मतलब?
टेस्ट कितने टाइम दिया आपने? मल्टीपल टाइम्स आप दे सकते हो उस सेम टेस्ट को।
अच्छा, मैंने नहीं देखा था ये। मैंने
आपके
बस एक बार ही दिया।
आपके पापा ने बात किया था तो मैंने कर दिया था, उसी समय कर दिया था।
हाँ मैंने
सेम
कर
टाइम।
लिया वो।
तो कितनी बार आपने दिया टेस्ट?
एक बार दिया।
कितने क्वेश्चन सही हुए थे?
मोर देन 75।
क्या ये राइट है? मोर देन 70 या मोर देन 90 आना चाहिए आपको कम से कम।
सर
आपने
उसमें एक क्वेश्चन था जिस जो मतलब मिस प्रिंट था, उसकी वजह से मेरा एक आंसर गलत हो गया।
अच्छा, ठीक है,
सर मैं उसका फोटो भेजूंगा, मेरे पास है।
ठीक है, भेज देना आप। ठीक है, फोटो तो आप भेजिएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है ना, मैं देख लूंगा। बाकी यहाँ पे टेस्ट एक बार आप दीजिए, फिर आपके आंसर्स आपको मिल जाते हैं। उसके बाद आप फिर रिवाइज कीजिए, फिर दोबारा दीजिए टेस्ट को, ठीक है। अगर हमने रीटेक कर दिया तो आप इसका फायदा उठाओ, प्रैक्टिस करो। और भी कोई बात है?
नो सर।
ठीक है, चलिए मिलते हैं, ठीक है ना, सैटरडे को मिलते हैं फिर।
बाय सर।
ओके,
गुड नाइट सर।
गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट,
Bye, sir. Good night.
गुड नाइट।